We are live. Hi, Simon. This is David, and I'm at the Lexipedia website, and I've done some more investigating. And let me just actually give you an example first. A buyer. And indeed, this website's pretty easy to use. It's intuitive, this interface. It's clean, furthermore. And to deconstruct all of this information, all we need to do is to click on some boxes. So when we only have verbs clicked here and synonyms clicked, we get all of the potential synonyms of acquire that are verbs. And we can connect with Facebook, in fact. We can even say it. And we get definition and usage. We also get frequency, I suppose. The number of verbs that are synonyms, I suppose. That's what this number means. So if I click on all the boxes again, we realize that acquire is a verb, and it's not a noun, it's not an adverb, nor is it an adjective. Let's try another different word. Welcome. So we'll do welcome. And welcome can be used as a noun, a verb, and an adjective. And we can see the antonyms. One antonym can be a verb, which I believe is say farewell. And then the other one is an adjective, unwelcome. Okay, so none of the antonyms are nouns. You can also check this information over here in the sidebar. It's a very clean interface again, and it's easy to use. Okay, so that's how we can visually represent the parts of speech and the relationships of the word welcome, or any word, in fact, that we type here. Another website that I discovered on Twitter this afternoon was Snappywords. And again, this is a visual thesaurus, and I can type in acquire again. And it's pretty cool. Like Lexipedia, it's a real-time rendering in Flash. So there are physics, in fact, involved in the graphical representation. So I can move this around. I find this website to be a bit more complex, a bit more difficult to use, because there really is just so much information here that we need to process. If we look at this table over here, it graphically represents all of these concepts. So we can see that change, wow. There's a definition here, and there are examples. And then there are relationships mapped out visually and then represented through words over here in this key. So teeth is a kind of grow, develop, produce, get. And then we can see the parts of speech over here in these colors, these pale colors represented over here. And at the very bottom, we actually get the information, the FAQ on Snappywords. Personally, at first blush, I prefer using this just because the interface is cleaner and it's simpler. Things are rendered pared down to parts of speech and relationships. Whereas on Snappywords, you have all kinds of things. I mean, the meaning is so nuanced. Entails is kind of. You have these dotted lines here, a derivation. Then you have different colored dotted lines here, verb group. Wow. So I think there's just too much information here on this website.